What's up, folks? Welcome to Math Walkthroughs with Mr. Weeb. Today we are adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. These are our Lesson 1 Your Turn questions. Let's find out what they're asking us to do. First it says, calculate 2/3 plus 2/3 is going to equal 4/3. Now, the only reason we are able to add the two numerators is because we already have the same denominator. Also, now we've got an improper fraction, so it would be best to imagine this as if we have 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, right? We know that 4/3 is just a bunch of units together. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. If we have three of those together, if we look at these three, well, that's 3/3. And what do we know about 3/3? That's 3/3. And so that 3/3 is just 1. Okay, so now if we have this all together, that is 1 and 1/3. Let's look at the next one, which says 4/10 plus 2/10. Well, 4 plus 2, since we already have the same denominator, we can just add those together and get 6/10. Now this isn't in its simplest form. We have a common factor between these two. We can divide both of them by 2 and find that we have 3/5, which is an equivalent fraction. Next we have 6/8 minus 1/8. Again, we have the same denominator, so we can just start subtracting the numerators. 6 minus 1, 5/8. No need to simplify there. So let's now look at the last one, 3/5 minus 2/5. Again, they're the same denominator, so 3 minus 2 is 1, and we have 1/5. That's as simple as it gets. Next, it says make a model to show what 5/8 plus 2/8 means. I'm going to go ahead and make a shape that has 8 blocks within it. So there's 4, and there's 8. Okay, it's a little wonky, but it'll do the trick. I expect you to use, your best judgment of what looks neat for you. So 5/8, let's make it like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we've got 5/8. And then in red, I'm going to put 2/8. 1, 2. So we've got plus 2/8. And all together, how many eighths do we have? Well, we've got 7/8. And that's as easy as that gets. Next, let's go to number 3, where it says describe a problem that could be solved by figuring out 9/10 minus 2/10. Then model how you would solve it. I have 9/10 of my science project done, but my friend has only completed 2/10. How much more of my project is finished than my friend's? How I would solve it would be to put it into, well, I would put it into exactly this equation, 9/10 minus 2/10, because I want to know how far is this score from this score, or how far is this completion rate to this completion. So let's find out what that is. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7/10 is the answer. Next it asks, explain why 3/8 plus 2/8 is 5/8 and not 5/16. And I might explain that again with a model. If I took a model that had 8 squares, well, they're not going to look very even this time. I'm going too fast. But if I had 8 squares and I had 3 plus 2, we can see that that's 5 squares, right? 3/8 plus 2/8 is going to be 5/8, not 5/16. To explain it, I might say something like this. Adding eighths and getting 16ths would be like adding nickels and getting bananas. Finally, we have which sum or difference is closest to 4/9. let's use our estimation to figure this out. So 4/9 is very close to a benchmark. The benchmark would be 1/2, right? 4/8 is half, and 4/9 is approximately 1/2. It's very close to it. So let's see, it's a little less than half. So let's see what might be a little less than half. Let's start with the easiest ones. I see that B, C, and D all have the common denominators already. So let's see. 2/5 plus, or 2/8 plus 5/8 is going to be 7/8. 5/6 minus 2/6 is going to be 3/6, which is 1/2. And then we have 3/12 plus 1/12, which is 4/12. And if we simplify that, they have the common factor of 4. So we can divide the denominator and the numerator by 4, and we would get 1/3. And then finally, this last one, the 9ths and the 10ths are very close, but if we added them together, 3 and 7 would be 10. So this is close to 1. So if we use our estimation, this is almost 1, which is not very close to 4/9. So which one is closest to a half? Well, already it looks like this one down here, that's the one. It's close to a half. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.